Hey folks, it's Josh here from Remax. Thanks for tuning in today. I am in downtown Hamilton on James Street North. We are steps away from some of the city's best restaurants, walking distance to the West Harbour GO Station, also walking distance to the downtown farmers market, and quick highway access to the 403. I want to show off a great new condo I have here today. It's a 730 square foot, 1 bedroom plus a den with 1 bath, an east-facing balcony, still looking down on James Street here from the 4th floor. It's a great unit. Can't wait for you to see it. Come on, check it out.